Guys, we will be checking out the signal I posted on the Telegram channel yesterday, and we'll be seeing how it played out. And I'm going to explain to you how I'm able to generate these signals. I usually post signals like this on Telegram channel for those that would like to take advantage of this in case they are not having the custom-made indicator that can help them to generate the signal. Okay, so we will be checking it out today and see how it played out. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so I will be checking out the signals right away. So this is the signal I posted on the Telegram channel. You can see Qora detectorK, and the signal, this particular signal is the one that is still going on, which is the one for PNX 999. You can see it's a buy signal, and this is the entry point. Okay, and the TP1 is this, and TP2 is this, and here is the stop loss. Okay, so let's check out this signal right away. Okay, so we're going to be checking out the signals right away. So let's check it out. Okay, guys, this is the signal. You can see it's picked up from this support zone. Okay, and this is the stop loss. So 99,744.51. If you should check it out, it's the same thing with this, and our entry point is 100085.74. Okay, so this is the entry point 10008574. So right here is this entry point. Okay, actually the indicator actually gave us a very good entry point at this point. You can see it right from here, but just for us to be sure, I'm not the only one trading the signal. I need to make sure that your account is well protected, so I decided to allow it to roll for a while before pushing out the signal out. And you can see these have not been going in an uptrend direction fully. There are pullbacks in between, if you should check it out very well, which is normal for every trend trading assets. Okay, and of course you can see immediately we came in around here and it kept on buying. This is the first TP that we are targeting, and it's almost there. It's a huge one actually, because this is 15 minutes time frame. So if you had been on this signal for a very long time, um, since when I posted it, that means you will have been in a huge profit at the moment, as in big profit at the moment. Okay, depending on the lot size you use and the amount of order you picked. Okay, but for those that are having this trading tool, they would have gotten into the markets around here where they are the uptrend signal and the buy signal, and this will have even given them more. Okay, so a single order will have taken them to this direction. Okay, so it's almost at the TP, and that means it is still going. So this is the first TP. The second TP is just a little bit above it. Okay, but at this point it might want to have a little pull down around there before trying to target the second TP. That is if it's able to get so that. Okay, so that is it. But even the first TP, it's really huge, guys. Even the first TP is really huge, because this is big profits and huge profits that we are getting right from here. So for those of you who are fortunate to follow the signals on the Telegram channel, congratulations to you guys. This is not the only signal. The other two that I posted has actually played out and got into their TPs. Okay, so this is the last one, and it had not, it is yet to get to the TP because it's a long trading opportunity. So congratulations to you guys. This is huge already. Okay, guys, and of course it's still going on. So you guys might be wondering how I'm able to generate the signal. This is very easy, because once you are using the right trading tool, you will always get it right. For instance, at this point, I remember when I threw the signal for this particular one in the Telegram platform, people made a lot of profits. You can see it went down, kept on going down and down till it got to this region. So at this point, it has gotten to the support zone also. So it has not been able to break out from here. So what we just need to do is just to wait for the uptrend signal, and it gave it to us, and we follow the buy signal, and it has been buying. That was exactly the same thing we did at the top right here. All we were waiting for was the downtrend signal. It gave it to us at this point, and we followed the sell signal, and we kept on selling till we got to the very last part. So it is as easy as that, and it works on all the assets. Okay, so it helps us to simplify the trading analysis. Okay, so we don't really need to crack our brain for a very long time before we can decide the direction of the markets, when to get into the market and when to exit the market. Okay, so it makes it very easy for us to achieve all that. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, guys, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, guys, you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. So guys, this is my WhatsApp number, so you can reach out to me directly via WhatsApp, and I will be there to I'll reply all your messages. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.